These are the original, these are the wheels that came on the car. They are ADVAN RG2s. And I looked for the sticker on here to see what the actual manufactured date was, and I think there was one on here that said, yeah, it says the inspector was Suzuki, Y Suzuki, but I don't see that the date is on there anymore. It's kind of rubbed off. Yeah, the date is gone now, so I don't know exactly when these were manufactured, but they're pretty dirty and they need some work. I'm actually going to be changing the color on these to like a more of like a gunmetal gray color, but I wanted to just take a quick video of them so you can see what the before looked like, and then I'll be dropping them off at my buddy's shop to get these tires dismounted, and then I'll be dropping them at the powder coaters to get those redone. So in a few days, maybe a week or so, they should be looking pristine. So when they get them back, I'll film that so you can see what it looks like. The wheels are back from powder coating. Let's go see them. Ooh, pretty. So let's get them out of here, out in the sunlight, and take a look. So I got the wheels out here in the sunlight so you can kind of see the color now that they've been refinished. It's in this really pretty looking gunmetal gray. It looks really nice. I got the decal applied to this one. See the decal on there? New decals. These wheels turned out great. I mean, they literally look brand new. Shout out to NV Coatings here in Virginia. You know what, let's put one of them up against the car here. Kind of hard to tell because it's so far away, but I think that's going to look nice, that gray against the silver. I'm excited. I can't wait to get these things put on. Alright, I just finished getting all the decals applied now. Fresh decals, fresh powder coat, fresh tires. That is a preview, ladies and gentlemen, of what this is going to look like. Oh my gosh. I can't believe how nice that looks. That looks beautiful. Got the brakes on. Man, that is dead sexy. And there is plenty of space. These RG2s have plenty of big brake kit space. Wow, that is awesome. I can't wait to get this thing out on the road. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'm getting ready to go over 800 subscribers. That's really awesome. I appreciate everybody that's been following the channel that I've created here over the last year. It really means a lot to me to see that many people kind of interested in seeing what I'm doing. I'm really excited about those wheels. They turned out great. I can't wait to get them on the car. I can't honestly wait to get the car off the jack stands and drive it again. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time.